So if you're using Hostinger website builder to run your store, you're gonna change some things about the checkout. So I'm gonna show you in this video how you can basically create discount codes in an online store. To create a discount code, follow along with me. So we're gonna have first to go to edit the website. So I'm gonna choose this website from here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to discounts. So to go to discounts, you're gonna have to go to online store. So let's go to online store. We're gonna click on manage store, and then from here we're gonna have to click on discount. So here on discount we can add a discount. Let's click on add a discount. We have a percentage fixed. So this what this basically means. So you have the discount type. So how do you want to give the discount? You have like two options. You have percentage and fixed amount. Percentage, you are taking off a percentage of the price. For example, if you write Black Friday 50, it will take off 50% of the price. This means fixed amount means taking off a specific amount. And also you have let's say you have all you have the discount code and the discount name here. Also the discount you can apply to all products or specific categories. You can let's say I'll select just products here or shirts. And here you have some conditions. Limit the total number of users for this discount. If you want to set minimum purchase amount for the entire card, you can also active dates you can add, and then just don't forget to save, right? You can save from here. Just where's the camera, you're gonna see here save. Actually, if I zoom in, yeah, here save. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this short video helpful. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. So thanks for watching.